There's a guy on my roof.
I am stocking up on replacement tiles. You see, one of the issues with getting solar is the installers, well, one of the installers, he was going up to give me a quote and he actually broke one of my roof tiles. Lucky for me, he was honest and he said they broke it, because if he wasn't honest, next time it rained, there would have been a leak. But apparently, it's common that when you are getting solar installed on your roof, that the installers may break some roof tiles. So you're gonna need some replacement tiles. Now, if you have a new build, you're lucky. But if you're in the case of me, moi, I had to go to the second-hand tile store. And lucky for me, they had some of my building's unique tiles, which they stopped producing 10 years ago. And that is one of the things you're gonna have to know when you're installing solar. Have some spare tiles. The installer said, get as many as you think you may need. To be honest, he was a bit reckless, that dude. But he's accredited by Tesla and LG to install. So I got 10. Oh yeah, 10 tiles. Second-hand tiles, look at them, out of date. And I'm probably gonna get more because it's actually a good wake-up call. If my tiles in my roof breaks and I can't find replacement tiles because it's no longer being manufactured, I'm gonna have to retile my entire roof. And that's gonna cost an arm and a leg. So guys, if you have an older house, actually if you have a house in general and you got some storage space, get some spare roof tiles, because you know, you might need it one day. And I was talking to one solar dude today and he was saying that if they break more than 20, you know, it's not gonna happen. So I said, okay, if you break more than 20, that's negligence, right? And he said, he never said yes. Well, I don't know what's happening behind me, but someone's decided to, are you okay there?
Yeah.
What happened?
No, it just slipped.
Having a bit of fun. Yeah, basically negligence happens and things break, so just be safe and get some backup tiles. My backup tiles are a $5 each, about 50 for 10, 100 will be 20. It's gonna take a lot of money, but that's not the biggest cost of solar. The biggest cost of solar is the smart meter crap that they want to install. Every single person like, yeah, do a smart meter, amazing. I managed to negotiate a smart meter away from one of those dudes. I had to include the battery. They said they'd only remove the smart meter if I bought a battery. And what's funny is, what's annoying, the guy literally logged into the Tesla account of one of the neighbors next door and he was showing me the electricity usage. I really hate this smart crap because it means all these random people that I don't know can just spy on you and find out what you're doing, your usage. It's just weird. I wish that it would be smart for you, not them. Why do I have to lose my privacy for this stuff? These are all the different tiles that I found inside the stairwell. I don't know what they're for, to be honest. I actually bought these ones as backups because solar people said they were going to damage some tiles. Don't know why they do that. These ones for bathrooms, these ones are for other bathrooms. This is one left for the roof, so it's good that I bought backups. And look how nasty they are. I bought a pack of 10, but I think one of them has a bit of damage on it. I don't know if I can actually use this one. What's that? Some nails have been in this one, so I gotta be careful in quality control to make sure that I buy some fresh ones. But regardless, I was, you know, being fastidious and tidying up my place, and I realized they did look kind of nasty. I don't want to just store them away and hide them away. So I started unpacking them here to figure out how I'm going to clean them. And then I saw ants on the underside of some of them. Look at those disgusting marks. It's dissipating. Just look how clean I made this one. It looks nice and fresh and new. These older ones even look nicer. Got a bit of stains on it. If I did use bleach, I can get rid of the stains. But just look how pristine these ones look. Oh yeah. But even Swanee's enjoying the show. Hey Swanee. Yeah, get some of that. Get some of that. Just look, come on, wasn't that worth it? Wasn't that worth the effort of getting all the tiles out of the stairwell, cataloging them, putting them over here individually one by one, and then taking pictures of each one underneath, find out which brand they are, and then piling them up again and putting them back underneath the stairwell. I think it was completely worth it. And I hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.